with our family, and not only that, because of time, maybe you can tell us through this generation and possibly the generation that Ukaya will actually influence.
Maranatha Masana. Because yes, abandaziyo ke umuntu oshaya sizalwa noKhaya, sizalwa noMdansane Bonayo. Uye ke omdala ndithi mandichaze apha kudala kucinga into yoba ndingomdala. Uye omdala. Dizalwa, I think he was a year old. Umama used to tell me the story about when I was born, uKhaya was esemncinci ngona. Zange ayithande ke le nto yalodadewabo omncinci ufika yozothatha indawo yakhe, but he would pull me ebhedini because kaloku ndingeli endaweni yakhe. But sikula in a family apho umthandazo was one thing. I think I mentioned it earlier about Sasa Mopeni, Ben Sasa Mokulis. Exhale, it was the first thing we do. We go for Kwakutuela, Kosi Exhale, Otuela, Perfume. One of the favorites, Payakaya, number 227. Now, Sikula ke abazali bethu bazalelwe eWisile, but utata kodwa the family engama-Adventist, but umama yena waguquka. So uyayicinga ke into yoba i-background yethu yeyabantu abasitaunch in a way. Also, the type of music that we would listen to, uyaqonda nosiba uzawuba ngumculo wenkonzo. I think that also influenced kakhulu indlela esicula ngayo. Umama was a choir conductor, was a music director for many years, both eMaranatha naseNakwawan. Sasingenazo ke nini. So xa we practicing, practicing. This also influenced the love Ukaya has for choral music. Some of the people we listen to, I remember she had a beautiful soprano, Sisindi. Those are some of the people who influenced not having went to Umtulo, I think it grew from Abantu Abanjia. Now, then Ukaya grew a love for piano. Piano lessons. I hoping that akazi was this also influenced Phaya endlini. Ndinonyana was omdala. It influenced indlela uNtu awubona ngayo umculo. Starting from umama. Umama ke notata ngabantu mos they notes. It also influenced nathi uba masizithande noba singazithandi. Into eyenze uyazibona mos negroup abacula kuzo. Your advert for your glorious sound. So, and that was notes. But I had to learn. And sometimes I will contact him. So, in a way, we influence and in a way, in fact, we are fundis. Ukaya is not just a big brother. Although I know my brother is always there for me. I remember a time I knew if I needed anything, Okaya was there. I think also if was young when they know Nova and they have Okaya. Back to the music part. Indlela uthanda ngayo umculo ukhaya inalo wethu izothanda emthini in the sense that awukwazi ke ukumrestricta uba mhlawumbe ucinga uba umamela intweni. There was a time ukhaya okay usayithanda nangoku he loved to take 6 uba unofika phaa kwakhe akho CD ngekhoyo i-take 6 that yayibona ngosii-take 6 eculani. But uzawuphinda ufumanise into yoba ukhaya will have i-heritage singers eyokuqala ku-19 bani to currently. Uthi usamamele leyo ukhaya ukwi-choral ukwi-classical akho nto angayimameli. So ungumntu o-versatile olo hlobo. But I appreciate indlela yoba uba udinga anything that has to do with music, he is there for you. He will avail himself anytime when it comes, but especially when it comes to music.
Inkosi kakhulu yazi nyanisile nxa uthi ibe nabo ezinto zinabona nezinothi musinayo nje la enengiyazi enengiyazi. I think nami ukhaya reach out to me ngincedise kumculo kwinto ezithile because he has to look busy. So the availability of the problem. That is not take 6 so that a benefit. Doors are funding. You took over. We'd like to also to apologize on behalf of Ulwazi. Sorry not to do this. Ulwazi flight at air today is under land just before Sikana. So Ulwazi should be here any moment. Tonight also the music. That's why we're not broadcasting this thing. We've got SDA Music Live, which is going to broadcast it later on. We thought it was going to be a better option rather than going live now. Then see booking it later on. There was another over funding, not benefit from Levis eating from the same down. Now you advocate for Nakala Mukai, started through the journey in Mukai.
Amen. In fact, Tata over in when I was speaking, I got before. Tata over, we mixed group, singers. This must have been around 1991. See, Tulabi mixed group, Tuliten and Okai. The son of from Maranatha, the figure of anyone church. We mix groups and we boys. To Akona, Homes, Tembele, Koskis. So, Sukume Apo, Samba, I think I went to Tanzania first, and then they joined me when I joined Tanzania, and then Tools joined us in 1996. So, Advent 4 is formed. Obviously, we're not talking about Advent 4 here, we're talking about Kaya, we're not doing his influence and music. So, see, Kala 195, Advent 4, this is Berlin. I think it was a camp meeting, so she decided to went until now. And then Tulani joins us the following year, Tanzania, and then it's been that journey. I think the Indian rate at Amokai is that oqala nje akukho nto ethi basi formation any formation of umculo akukho kwento ethi ngubani ozawuza nengoma. It's almost a natural thing when we're in a formation with him that predominantly almost all the songs will be coming from him. Zanga savumelana kwi-Advent 4 kuthiwe ubani ozaba musical director, ubani ozawuza nengoma, uzawuza nayo lelo ngoma uye wayithanda uyithumele i-audio egroupini ba hey gents, I think maske sizame lo ngoma, but I can comfortably without fail or fear nditsho ndithi 70% or 80% for that matter of ingoma ze-R34 zizethukhaya. Obviously, it does have a couple of compositions and rearrangements zengoma ezithile, but generally, umculo for him, at some point in life, ebeke waconsiderisha earlier, abeke phansi kwanto lokwenza ne-IT, hlobo le-career, aconcentrate emculweni. That's how much he loved the music, loves music. But ayahamba kakuhle ncam loo nto. That's how much he loves music. You know, when we came across the Nungutela, ukuyibona laa nto yoba xa nicula ninonke for many years, because it's more than 30 years sicula sonke, but loo nto ayinayo nalaa myele iwakhayo ukuqonda why not me, why not any other person, because you know the impact that he has had in terms of contribution yakhe emculweni, that he deserves it more than anyone. Because we all know, I mean, I've lost count the number of times we've had deformations of Mculo, to a point where I think we are born, okay, undoze uyawuthanda umculo, uthulane uyawuthanda umculo uviuba, but I'm born, but ukhona umuntu owuthanda kakhulu kunomnye, and naye azi-analyzele, okay, le information siyizamayo akazolunga ubani. So informations akuzo zingapha koqonda. To a point yoba ngoku xa sifumana i-invitation, West njengobekhula nje, ngoku xa sifumana i-invitations, sesiyazi intoba 3 of us, we may be available because zimbalwa information zethu. Umzekelo besinqwenela sicule kwi-program ezayo kwezi veki zizayo, and then as expected, Viwe is available, Tulani is available, Ndoza is available, Silindi ukhaya. Njengoba Silindi nje siyayazi uba isenongahambi right, because uzawubetha i-keyboard evala, unayo nentsha yakhe ngoku yokubaleka. So usayithi uzawubaleka eKapa, uzawubaleka eFini, uzawubaleka anyway. So umculo is him. Yeah, his music. The love of music he has. So, I mean, this one Sabbath, I think 4 Sabbaths ago, Siyamba Guyi, Ami Simon, Atomi Festive, when the formation group, I'm like, he's making another commitment basically, because another formation means practice. And so his lifestyle is just riddled with he practice. So to a point where I want to believe I think okay, because that's what he's giving. That's his lifestyle.
Sabiyela mhlobo ndifuna ukuthi ningaleli kakhulu ngalenkingile available. Oqamana schedule yami is okay. I can make myself available. And then by Glorious Sound to say ready, no? I got it Glorious Sound. Must study my economy. Must study Glorious Sound. The aim and the idea long term is to have the Adventist Music Awards as throughout the years. And mhlawumbi bakhona nabantu mhlawumbi namhlanje esingababamba phansi kwephapha into bangaba bethuna basiculele kuba belapha. Nayibona mos ithini ibandla? Ithini ibandla bethuna? Asokuthi ithini ibandla? Ithini ibandla? Ithini amen ibandla? Tutasawukulungile na ibandla sithi amen. Yeah. Clap from them. Yes. Siyabulela bethu. Sibonile sinalabonke esithetha ngawo ba ebethethe funeka usijonge ba ungenaphi wena kwezi zikakhaya. Beyibona le. Politique sibone Glorious Sound, sibunithu mazangwa. You've traveled, you've influenced a number of people. Maybe if I can take you through Amava Sporo so that you understand the impact of Glorious Sound. During the COVID-19, Sporo is admitted in Johannesburg Medical. He gives me a call. I think I was on my 13th day at that time. Now he says to me, they're telling me, Gucci, there's nothing they can do. So they will need, I responded to my yes, but I need to go back to kick it in. Now he says when he tells this story, he asked for my son to send him ingoma Glorious Sound. Kunye nelwazi eqinisa kwezinye ukuthi wafaka earphones wamamela ezangoma ukuthi wayisiva every chord and every note Glorious Sound. So uthi that time he was only focusing on the music. Uthi for some reason there are some elements of ingoma wayekade ngazoyanga, but this time waziva. And not only that, the message is iphethe. A day later, then the doctor comes to him, he's like, I don't know what you did, but the medication, you are responding to the medication. So that's an impact of the music, of Glorious Sound that you might see around in his teeny and think, oh, you just release a CD and everything. Now, you want to now draw it to Kaya Gengu, the influence that he, not that we're giving him the glory, but just giving the man his flowers while he's still alive. What role Kaya and now that you think is the impact of Glorious Sound? Now that we know that Glorious Sound saves lives.
Maybe let me just start with this testimony before the Grandfather. We got so many. Yes, in COVID-19 presented an opportunity, and yes, you know, in the midst, yes, sometimes God presents an opportunity for you to have an influence that you would never think of. A similar story is told by one of our friends, SAUSA. Somebody who's never even met. Actually, this man is collaborator musically because such a manager on my influence in music. Bonage was an elderly person, and I think he or she was lying on her deathbed, and there was nothing that could, calm him down. As a case of that gave into this. And then Uti, they shared some of our videos for her to listen to. And for some reason, they feel it over the time she passed away, she was now at peace, relaxed, the kind of she was listening to this music. I don't know, and this I would blow up on or anything. But we had so many other similar experiences where people actually write to us in private sometimes and tell us how much the music has influenced Ebomin Babo Press. If I can go back to the influence Kakaya with the Glorious Sound, actually conceptually Glorious Sound, I think at the same time God inspired him and Brother Wam Uprasken to start something like the Glorious Sound. I think one of the things that they said was that, you know, Umculo is dying in our churches. I mean, it takes somebody on a passion to see ukuthi kukhona need. Umculo is dying in our churches. Saskade sisaziwa ezibali okanye inkonzo eculayo ekwazi umculo ezazi notes and all that, but now it's becoming a disaster. We might as well start something that is going to, you know, try and preserve that music. Also, the vision was to have something that would appeal to all age groups, young people and old, for them to see the choral music sometimes as one would look at. It's not necessarily that bad or that boring all the time. You know, so we got involved in this project, the Glorious Sound, where we got people together, about the interest in. I think at the time when it was started, there were a few people involved in music, and for some of people from Joy Bells, there was a group about Trade Home. There were also trios about one, adoration and praise, I know him and all that. So, and there was also where group a central. I don't know one accord, yeah, that kind of two accord. So we got those people together and said, let's do this and let's push it. In fact, another recruitee would go higher to be part, but because at the time I was involved in school choir conducting, so they requested me. But we are not a candidate, and Ukaya has been a tremendous influence with Glorious Sound. In fact, Ledo Yoba Resourceful is still continuing most of the music that we do in Glorious Sound. He selects the music, or we say music, and we always talk together, how is this? And he always comes up with, I will tell you, most of our so-called hit songs we Glorious Sound, that's Caesar Ukaya. And Ukaya does not really want the glory, success, or anything. He is content with working behind closed doors. He does all the dirty work and the dirty cleaning and the shine. You let all the slaves do all the work. So he does all the slave work. Sometimes the choir, when we're practicing for performances and things get really nasty, and ziyathathwa most of the time. Xa ndifuna ukhamisha down izinto, I just say, Khaya, khambisa kwabo bantu bakho. He has the patience that you have never seen. Ukhaya will spend hours ephinda-phinda indawo eyi-one abangathi bayithi get right, esendijikwe finish njalo. But he will have the patience to pick on those things azilungise. Yilaa nto kuthiwa ngumntu okwaziyo ukuthunga idlavu. Uyakwazi ukuthunga idlavu yena akaphathe yena ecaca ukuthunga idlavu. Uphatha apha igqibe loo ndawo and then he goes to another one and he finishes it. Anything that has got to do with music, ukuba inokhaya, I heavily believe in fact I have confidence, but that is good music. And I've never seen him a party as Gungum. I think I first met him and his brothers. Besabhikile ngoba ekwi-Advent 4 ukwenye icula ibhesi ibhitye great but ingqule enkulu. Ngoku ungayibona ngoku ayisabona kanjalo ngqula kangangobityeni ke ngoku senjoba they've grown so much, but I think I first met them and ndonqena usebenzise igama listrong lithi fell in love because uthulana uzayithatha personally. But Advent 4, I used to say my favorite group quartet at South Africa, Advent 4, because of the way that they've kept the standard in how they sing and in whatever they do. So in Glorious Sound, Ukhaya is just an indispensable part of that ministry. He might not be in the forefront, sometimes he is at the forefront, but you must know he likes to do the work behind the closed doors.
Koska Kurwood, mhlawumbi wena Kaizer, you've been in Cape Town. Une-element
Into yaseKapa leyo engaphazamisanga. Andifuni izinto ezihluphayo umphefumlo wami. But yakhe yaphantsi isimosha lakuyalakapha. Because ihamba introducer nenye into enobhaleka phakathi ngoku as sound sinezinto ezininzi that we must compete with. Lo mntu akekho useKapa, naxa sesingathi singafumana vele kube khona imarathon ekhoyo somewhere kucace noba izawuzama Valento athi seyibuyile kuloo marathon abuye sozela. So laa nto enambaleko andiyithathelanga phezulu singafane zibe zenyuka medals but mhlawumbi kufuneka bekwi-injury ekhoyo kwenzela uba izomgcina ukhaya sizomfumana. But that's what I like to do.
Yes, so I can give you the person who's responsible. Uqalisa ukhaya kulaa nto abayifunayo bethozela ibhalele ku-Facebook okanye kuWhatsApp zangiyeka so nakudidile nayo directly laa mntu. I know ngubani omi-introducer, brother wam actually introduce ukhaya kulaa nto. Naye ilapho ubityiwe uqonda uba awuyitsayidingi uyoyithenga kawulisi nantsaphakoyi. Kaizer mhlawumbi before ndiye kudedi kuthethiwe nange-patients zakho nentoni kodwa ndinamfuna mane ndizidodela kaloku sendilapha yabo thetha uba Kaizer ndi-beyond repairs ndifundiusa nje akasiphenduli so that because uJoarha nomngindi baneento ezininzi abazithethayo ngam ndifuna siphendule apha ziye kuphendula Kaizer noko ke wahlala ndi-beyond repairs okanye ikhona into onoyenza mam.
In fact, Ngala sasicula sonke ku-main voice.
Daddy, ndiyafuna ukuza kuwe nxa sigqibisa nxa yamaxesha mhlawumbi singabi nalela xesha le-chit chat ndijonge amaxesha. Ukhaya regards friend, but I look at the gap and also how did you manage to bridge that gap to play a role Ukhaya as a friend and as a father figure, and also the influence that you think abazali bakhe abayidlalile nendima Ukhaya mhlawumbi that he needs to play to take the Adventist sound more relevant to this generation and the generation to come.
Thank you. Amen. Before I delve into the substance of the question you just posed, ngithanda intoba ngicaphule amazwi ambalwa. Has a profound impact on the soul, especially in worship. It can evoke emotions. It can create a source of connection and even bring people closer to their faith. In worship, music can be powerful. Can be a tool for expression. It heals, it unites, it can uplift, it inspires, and it transforms us. But just to round up, I want to say, Tata Utole, ngoba ke ngivela umdala apha phakathi kwethu ngoba kulandela mina ngemva kwakhe. Proverbs 17 verse 6 uthi, children's children are a crown to the aged, and parents are the pride of their children. Ndifumene izolo a music clip apho iJoy Bells zazingaphelelanga khona zintathu, and we reached out khaya kawuphakama usincedise apha. Now emculweni there is a tendency of people being very territorial. Mna ndiculela le group andikho available there, but he gladly did it, wacula nathi. Ndiyixobile ke phaa kwi-status sam loo nto leyo ngenxa yokokuba it brought warmth to my soul. Khaya ndiqale ukumbona esengabafanyanyana abo bobatsho eyayingathi inkulwana iba yile inkuthuzi. Becula phaa eMthatha ingoma eyayisithi ithi uyane maKristu. Yes. Ndimamele abafanyana baculayo bacula kamnandi. At a time when the type of music that we have been singing was beginning to wane, and they brought hope. Yeah. And in the course of time, lo and behold, naku bilapha eMonti ndidibana noKhaya. It was a happy moment. uKhaya uyayazi into ekuthiwa versatility. Laa nto yoba uthande Take 6, uthande iMormon Tabernacle njalo njalo. And I think those things have made him who he is. Ukuzazi chords ze-jazz nayo yonke loo nto. So we have benefited greatly. Isathoka ndifunde laa verse ye-generations nge-generations. And I think i-climax yayo yonke imeko kaKhaya siyifumana kwigroup engekhoyo apha ekuthiwa i-Remnant Men's Chorale. Kulapho kukho i-generations ezintathu ubuncinane. Kukho le yam yenwele ezikanyiweyo, kubekho le ilandelayo yoKhaya, kuphinde kubekho le yonyana babo ezingakhanywanga. Zidityaniswe zonke ezi generations, and i-climax yayo yonke loo nto, as we were building and developing his skills kwi-Remnant Men's Chorale, obut Victor yokuthwana belala, olami beba stagnant a bit, ngenxa yokukhula wantshula uKhaya. And uyi-nucleus yala group, I've been watching indlela esikwazileyo ukusustaina umculo esiwuculayo kwi-Remnant Men's Chorale. Ifuna ke ukuthi Thole, you must be overwhelmed with pride, unokuzibetha isifuba njengoba silele apha. And you've got gratitude in your soul to watch your son follow in your footsteps. Ngoba bendisiya phaa kwa-1 ngobe ndisakhangela ibandla apha eMonti. Kumnandi kwa-1 khandakho uba kukude gqithi. Ndabhaca into yokuba kukho lo tata usoloko eserious nge-pulse measure. And ndibona lo tata ungawajongi amaculo. Kaloku mna nenje into enezitanza zeziyi-4 andiqali kwa ukufunda i-words. ndivele nje ndiqonda ndizamjonga ndiriferishe. But ndibukele notata upersistent ekubeni uba kuculwe ngendlela ethile enkonzweni. Now loo nto leyo ibangele into okokuba kwi-Adventism sikwazi ukuba nezikhokelo, sikwazi ukuba ne-reference. Sawuthi siphucule abantu benkosi, kodwa babe abantu abangabakhokeli ovula indlela besifakile emqolweni. Kumnandi balapha ngale mini yeSabatha. Akwaba uThixo benosinceda sonke. Indeed, as you said, there are so many people we could acknowledge, but ukhaya udibanisa zonke ezi zinto. And abo babekhona kulaa farewell sasimenzela yona, ndiqonda ndiyayicaphela le nto yaseKapa, because isishisa ngokhaya. I said zonke izinto onokuzifumana emntwini oculisayo onguconductor zikhona pha. Kunjema kuculwa nje iV alto uba iyabhimba somewhere pha. Isikrama osilula yona because yamayilo thetha nge-alto. Yabona mos iiphathi ezinzulu zi-alto ne-baritone, right? Zizo ezikhangela iiphathi zakufaka iharmony. And ukhaya usoloko indlebe yakhe ibukhali. And akanampoqo ne? Abanye abantu abaculisayo banempoqo. Akanampoqo yena. Utileza kule nto yenziwayo. I salute you, Nyana, ndodana. Enkosi kakhulu.
Sometimes we, as a Masabat, we are too humble. It's good to be humble, man, but we are too humble in such a way that we miss the opportunities because as Black nation most of the time, in oral history, we don't have a history that is written down. And because of that, you will find Uguti, it affects us. Outside of music, let me just make an example. It's easy for us when Abuti, masibona ibandla mhlambe singenele kwisikole kuthiwa yiNtsike High School. Then ibandla lethu kuthiwa yiNtsike High School. Ihambene lo gama ibandla lethu. We don't even know uNtsike, the role he played in that church, kwi-community kuyo. But as soon as sisithi masitshintshe ibandla lethu ibe yiNunu Adventist Church, then the question arises, ngubani yena? Ngubani lo? So we are missing an opportunity to actually take history to beyond the generation esikuyo thina. Because abantwana bazakubuza ngubani uNunu, we are able to respond to that particular question. So even ask, sibe humble, but singabikho too humble. Sihlala kumhlaba sanyuka ubheka ezulwini. Siselapha ngoku. And we need to make sure ukuthi our history is not distorted. Our history plays part and parcel of ubomi bethu esizulu. We've got a number of amabandla, we've got a number of choirs. We need to start looking at ourselves as role models, because there are times abantwana bethu uPetros noMarko ngabasubanceda. Kodwa xa ubani ethetha kuye sithi nomama wam wayekule meko, leliba kwi-level efanayo abantu abangathetha kuyo. Kuba mandi ke kuthi ukuthatha izinto ezenziwe ngesilungu. Bemandi ukuzithatha, but izinto ezenziwe ayithethwa ezenziwe sithi ubona into bangaba mazithathwe zijule emqomeni zona. So how we wish ukuthi through this particular program we can start doing that. As I think when we would like to thank you. You flew all the way from Cape Town just to come and support Ukhaya. When we forget the flight and there's a woman that's here. What we want, the core of this whole thing at the end of it, we've been sort of going an idea in Ukhaya that we need the SDA Music Awards. We've been talking about this thing way before COVID. So possibly this particular platform will actually, Uzama, what you see, Uzama managed to put it together, because Tinasiko up. It might be Joburg, it might be, but we need to look at throughout this music and all the different elements that Ukhaya is represented. We look at those things and have the SDA music on an annual basis, and also a professional one whereby when you look at the production, you can say, as a result, the media wants to be part and parcel of this particular cause. So I think that's the bigger goal in this whole thing. Now we can ask about parting shots. Parting shots, nombuzo nje oyi-1 engiqiniseka into yoba sonke sinawo laa mbuzo. Xa uzawuphendula, phambi uphendule laa mbuzo, qala kuMpumza, ndize kuDosa, ndize kuBhuti, ndize kuDidi, basinike ii-parting shots zabo, sibuze laa mbuzo kudala nifuna uva.
Okay, I think kule audience that I think we need to thank utata wethu ngokusikhulisa kwakhe and his influence elukholweni lwethu nakwizinto esizenzayo uba sibe ngaba bantu sindabo. I think I said it at my mom's funeral uba I'm sure uba bendingazalwa phaya ekhaya ngendiyenye nje into, but we thank utata wethu, our parents, and I also thank God for ubomi bukaKhaya and the influence enhle anayo, not just but also na kubantwana bam. Inkosi Mlamli and whoever came up with the idea of honoring uKhaya, Inkosi Sibele.
Akhange ndilungiselele i-parting shot. Akhange ndibhale. But nevertheless, uthi omnye apha ku-Advent 4, I think 2-3 years ago, hey, kuyandicapukisa le nto ngabikho available kwale chapel because ziliqedlana ii-invitations that we could not honor ngenxa ye-availability kaKhaya. Ndithi ke mna ke xa ndiphendula lo mntu andifuni umchaza kuba ngubani. Unfortunately now iqonda xa ndithetha ngolu hlobo iyawuba phakathi kuyo nomthula. Ke mna ke enye yezinto kufuneka ube mindful of zona is that at the core of the love of music kaKhaya is choral music. Ziyangenelela nje Advent 4 is in a mixed group, but his main love is choral music. Number 1. Number 2, uKhaya ungumntu wesi-skeleton sobomi bakhe uhleli nje kusifaka inyama. So ungumntu ohlengahlengisa. Sezazi umzekelo uKhaya ndiqinisekile kule ndawo sihleli noba kunazi appointments ka-October, November njengoba silapha. Those include ezomculo nezobaleka obviously. So Nandi, I think my parting shot would be keep at it, son, because what we are doing, as much as inakukhutha kwabanye abantu endicinga babalwa ngobenefita kuwe naxa bekhalaza ngezinto zobaleka intoba it's somewhat ikekelisa i-relations abanazo nawe. I want to consider it, I want to believe he's my best friend. So said I made peace with intoba sendiyilwethi waba nini uyaphi because I've made peace kuba umfumana ngolo hlobo nolo hlobo. Yeah, so keep at it. We appreciate you. I think we are born now. I mean, it's the only time and can just on a light-heartedly DC. Ukhaya wena mntu waziwayo pha ku-Advent 4 because njengoba ndihleli apha azininzi imbuzo endingazaziyo nokubani lo, but they are here to honor and acknowledge i-presence i-influence kaKhaya in the music industry ngokwalapha enkonzweni ke that is. So keep at it, sir.
Okay, mandicacise kokuqala into yoba apha kwi-age igap phakathi kwam noKhaya ingaphezulu ko-12 years. Hayi nje ndithetha nje kodwa musically I think uKhaya has accomplished izinto endisazirhalelayo uba I could do this, I could do this, I could do that. And I think that's the kind of dedication and when it comes to music. You know, ndiyaiva nale babe uke warhalela uyeke ayitha yozilambisa apha music. I think loo nto basically it stems from a deep love and commitment for music. Yabona ifana ne-art, abantu abazi-artists ufike engazikhathalelanga nokunxiba oku, but xa esenza a work of art, he will do something that you could never even associate with that particular person. So that's why I'm saying that I still wish I could do and accomplish musically what Khaya has already been able to accomplish. It's true ke ndiyavuma phambi kwale nginginya intoba mfana kithi ukuba ngaba concentrate kakhulu kule nto ubaleka uzawuphileka nyande iphinda consequence kaya but I think you continue to be an indispensable part of our ministry, because we always see Gloria Sound as a ministry, and sometimes we set goals, and as in yes cases set it very high. I know we set a goal and thought that we could take the whole 60 voices to GC at one stage. It was something that was possible, but I gave us a monthly to do it. I still believe that we can still accomplish those big things that we are looking forward to. The Jonge Doba, if the people that are here to support you back on, they want abaji, why enough Thank you very much. I really appreciate Mauton. You may not know when in Doyoba, Unonyana J or like the name of footsteps, but I think he has done even more than what you could have expected, and we really appreciate you, of course.
Thank you very much. And I'll ballet. Kaloku ndodana sisakhangela sincedisana nawe kodwa indaba endingayithandanga apha kule nto sithetha ngayo yilaa nithi ubuye ediniwe umzulu ke landaba uyanganeno nyana because uzawuxa sowugangeleka kwezinye izinto uchanele masibuye singene emfundweni bethu kuyinene into okokuba from a parent's perspective, the best we can say is there's no greater reward kunoba ube nonyana oye walandela emfundweni. Ndifuna nje uvala ngaloo mazwi bawuthole ndithi there is no greater reward. Akukho mvuzo owodlula ukubona umntwana wakho ethe chu yahamba esigasi yahamba zonke ezi zinto ndibavukele nokuphumza yonke into engathi ithi into worship khathali noba inenzwini nengakanani na bafumaneka apho Thixo makabonge. Amen.
On a last note, Coleman, ndicinga ngokuba actually nakule nto yalombaleko ufike pha wane impact engamandla to a point uba kwathiwa hey Goldie mayisukube nguwe nosiphetheyo ngokwale region athletics club yes ndafumanisa uba hey lo mfolo apha khoyo apha khoyo basisibani isishayinayo. So I just needed to make a note of that.
I think this is one of the microphone umbuzo uzawuphendulwa nguwe kuphela nje qha. Ngoba nihambile naya kwaMaswaziland, nihambile ngitsho KZN, Durban nabaseMonti. Theba nina nobathathu akabikho muntu. Theba abethuthi babona. Theba mhlobami. Kwezi ndawo zingaka zingakalizangileyo. Theba nizaba ngamaxhenga abazawuletha abantwana lapho khawuphendule nje ndiyaqiniseka into yoba sonke sifuna uvala umbuzo mos uyabo noba mhlobami khawungenelele
nalena khange ndiyilungiselele kodwa ke I think honestly speaking wake watutata I fortunately i-relationship yam noKhaya has been to the point where ndithi tata umuntu andinawuthi ndithi tata so wake watutata bayeke ziyazi ixesha apho uzawuthi ehleli ebukele TV ekhe ufo kubekho into enesithukuthezi ethi nzulu then sawuba ngayo ayisithi tata khona umntana khona umntana asithi la masambeni siyokuthatha I think iyakuphela because
Ndiyabulela nithi imfanele yethu. Inkosi siyabulela sikaFanzi. Inkosi kakhulu siqedile yabo. Siyabulela imfanele yethu. Ethu masikhole izandla nayikoma sebozini. Asinabo kuthiwa ngalaba bantu athi clap for Jesus. Noma asinabo kuthiwa ngawo. Ngoku sizawunikeza ulwazi ulwazi is gonna take us lamava kube congregational singing. In between ke lwazi igroup ezawuthula ngibili ukhaya nolwazi igroup ezawuthula in between ezingoma izawuzenza zabantu ingoma sisheke ne-104 sisheke ne-euphony unompusi kunye noliso so zezo zintathu abazawuthula so that means uzakwenza ingoma ezi-3 wena lwazi and in between those songs immediately after the first song sifuna ibe thathi edithiwe zibona ne xa igqiba ulwazi angabizi noyibiza kuze i-104 xa igqibe yesibili ingoma kuze i-euphony namagama ngoku ethuna biza kahle ne ubhale i-UP ayophuphoni mos euphony mhlawumbi okay then kuze unompusi then kuze uliso then emva koliso ke ngoku uzawuthulisa ingoma emveni kwalaa ngoma sizakwenza nje i-birthday song Khayo angene umfundisi. Inkosi. Imoto wethu